So let's build that dice project. Okay, I'm going to get rid of our actress. And then zoom in. I'm going to begin by doing a square. And I'm going to click and drag and type in 3, 3 on a 3-inch wide, 3-inch tall square. There it is. And I'm going to expand this up 3 inches. Alright, now to get the numbers on here, I'll show you one, then I'll let you figure out the rest. The 1, I'm just going to draw a line diagonally across. And I'm going to draw a circle from the middle, and the radius says 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to erase off my guidelines, and then I'm going to push this circle inward 1/8 of an inch. 1/8. Okay. And I'll do one more for you, then you can rest figure it out. I know on the internet I found the dice number layout. It says that the 1 is opposite the number 6. So let's go to the back of the piece here. And it's 6 dots here. So you found in class with their notes. If I go in 1 inch, and go down 1 inch, up 1 inch. A little bit close. Try it again. Let's go, how about, what's a 1/2 inch give me? 1/2 inch in. Oops, 1/2 inch in. That looks better. Let's go 1/2 inch in as our points, all the numbers. So 6 is going to have a dot here, a dot here, a dot here, a dot here, and a dot in the middle, a dot in the middle. In the middle of a 3 inch would be 1.5. So I'm going to do a circle from here, radius 1/4, circle 1/4, circle 1/4, up 1/4. So to make your other dots work, let's do that same 1/2 inch in all the sides. I push-pull these inward, 1/8, that 1/8 inch, that 1/8 inch. So I'm just kind of comparing these to those, and I'm copying across. Done. There's my 6. Okay. Same for the rest of the numbers. After the 5, I went a 1/2 inch down, a 1/2 inch in, a 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch in, and diagonal lines to put a dot here and here, 3 and 4 and 5. Those. Oops, out there. There's my 5. For a 3, I could go 1, 2, 3. For 2, so to go 1 there and 2 there. 4, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So this pattern can get you all numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, here's my 2. 1, 2 for 3. Corner, 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 corner for 4. And then, of course, 4 corners. And the middle for 5. It's all numbers with that. When that's done, we're going to kind of help Mr. Bloom out by painting this dice so we can see it. So I'm going to go to my paint bucket tool, and I'm going to pick some colors. May put some thunder colors. Make a nice light blue on the inside edge. And then maybe we'll go a darker shade in the bottom. And maybe a lighter shade yet on the surface. I don't know. Some kind of color scheme so you can see the dice in its finished look. Okay, hey, good luck with the dice project.